All right, so I'm a big guy, but I always need short booty socks because I'm always walking barefoot, and I own dogs like this guy right here sheds a lot of hair. So I'm always constantly walking with socks throughout the house because it's dirty. Because these guys bring a lot of dirt, a lot of hair, and everything else. So I want to prevent my feet from getting dirty. I always buy these booties, and these came with a bunch of pairs. So I'm gonna put them on. They sell them from size 6 to 12. All right, so let's go ahead and set them up, and let's see if they do fit. I'm a size 12. All right, this is a size 12. If you guys can see, so they do fit comfortably, just about right above, like right in the ankle area. All right, so perfect for indoors. All right, also for your shoes, short shoes. If you have no high tops, these are perfect. So hope you guys enjoy the video.